Do you want to learn how this product commercial was done? How this very text to image or text to video was equally done? This was a product commercial that was artificially generated, artificial intelligence generated. All you need to do is stay put, listen through to see what, to hear and see through for yourself how this was done, and to see the app that was used to generate this very product commercial. It's very important you get to learn the prompt, you get to do the following, follow the process that was used to generate it. And meanwhile, if you've not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, smash that notification bell such that when next we upload an amazing post like this, you'll be able to see it. You'll be one of the first persons to view it and get to enjoy and know what is up and running. Be updated for Christ's sake, okay? Welcome to Webland Tech Varsity, where we do tech inside out. It's a daily thing. Welcome once again.
That was generated using artificial intelligence. All right. Follow me as we go through each and every one of these things. You get to see the images, how they became videos. Okay. You can see here, this was an image. Right now, it's going to make a move. Okay. All right. The next image, this is an island that was artificially generated, and right now it's become a video. This is a train that was artificially generated, is now a video. The good part of this very artificial intelligence generation is that you can use it to either make an animation for yourself that you sell, create a video, create music videos, create product commercials. Okay, this very animation, this very image to video and video animation is very important. It is very important. It's just beyond what we used to know. Okay, welcome to Webland Tech Varsity. We're going to talk about artificial intelligence here, artificial intelligence in and out in these ramifications. We're going to discuss how these very images were generated and how we can convert them from being an image to being a live object, to being a video. Okay, we're going to show you every step of the way how this was done, from the motion brush to video generation to image generation to remove background and the rest of them. Okay, every step of it has to be even this very image that was converted from being an image, someone's image, to being an artwork. Okay, like this dog's image was an image, just a few prompts, it became an artwork. As you can see, all you have to do is put in a few prompts. A street art made out of this and made and that becomes an artwork. Okay, this very website is very important. Let's get into it. First of all, you need to create an account using Gmail or sign in as you want. Sign in using Gmail account. As you can see, everything you need to make anything you want. I like that very phrase. With 30 plus tools, Runway makes it easy to ideate, generate, and edit content like never before. Try it today, it is free. Okay. Let's wait for my account to be created. Within a short time, my account will be completely created. So we can dig in. So I can show you one or two things you need to learn. So once you've completely registered, you will be assigned this dashboard. As you can see, this is my profile. You see the home, Runway TV is new, asset, video editor projects, video, generate video, edit video, generate audio. These are AI assets, okay? This for images, generate images, edit images, then more. You see now generate a 3D image and the rest. Okay. Once you've gotten to this point, look at this very side. You now say bring your image to life with Gen 2, generate video using text, image, or both. Okay, so let's give it a trial. Let's give it a trial so you get to understand what is happening. I'll start with image. It's loading up. So the image generation tool is saying describe the image the scene you're imagining. To generate a video, just type in what you want to see. The more descriptive you are, that is the prompt, the better. And if you have a reference image you like, you can include that too. Okay, I'll click next. Only generate the videos you want. Before you generate your video, you will first get a still frame review of what it looks like. If you're happy, click to generate it. If you want to make some tweaks, simply go ahead and modify your prompt. Help us with your generation. Every time you generate a video, you have the opportunity to rate it of 5 stars. They are just looking for their reviews. Okay, let's get started. Before you go, every second of you the live credit, you let you know. So I will drag and drop an image to start the video. Image plus description, image self description. Okay, let's make a description. Since today is December, let me input something. A man and his family. A man, his wife, and and two black and African man. Let's do it this way. Since we are in Africa, African one and six, two black kids. And okay, kids. And in open market buying groceries. Some nights. Cars near my road. Shop streets. So let's try and generate review, quick review. So I've clicked generate without an image. Let's see what will happen. Your video is generating and will be done in a few minutes. Okay, let's hold on while the image is being. So at this point, the text has been converted to an image and then it has become a video. Let's play it. This is the AI generated image that is now a video. Let's play it. Okay, wonderful. Even though their faces are not explicit enough, okay, but I am grateful for the work. Well done. Grateful for the work. Now let's use other assets to make this work a reality. Okay, let's use an image to generate this. Let's use an image. It's like you see what is written here. Feeling stuck, get inspired. So let's use an image. Let's take it that so these are all images. These are all images. You can use it to generate a whole lot of things. Let's use this lizard, the image of this lizard to generate what we want. Okay. Let's say image versus description. Let me use a description. As you can see, the image of the lizard is now alive. It's now alive. This can be used on any prompt, any prompt. Let's try one more time with using a product. The one you can use as a product commercial. So right now I'm trying to generate a prompt for this for a fresh walk. Holly's brand energy drink commercial with its body covered in ice on a wooden table and grainy leaves. And a few green leaves around it. The table near a glass of energy. Energy drink. Okay. Best seller product. Some okay. So let's generate this very work. Let's see what will happen. Give it a few minutes and it will pop up. Generate. Okay, right here, the work has been generated. We actually generated two videos. Okay, like you saw earlier, I wrote Holly's brand energy drink commercial with its body covered in ice on a wooden table near a glass table. Thereabout. I was able to generate this one and generate this one. This one actually has the Holly's drink written on the table. So let's see it. I will enlarge it for you to see it clearer. Okay, see the work of AI. We're able to achieve this from a few words, a few prompts. Now let me preview the other one. This is just wonderful. Hope it's playing okay. This is nice. This is nice. So that is it for today. If you've not subscribed to our page,